Hi everyone, this is Ayushi. Welcome back to UK Work Life Insider. Today I'm going to Oxford and I will take you along with me on a walking tour. There are many ways to go to Oxford. You can go by a car or can take a bus, and more cheaper way is to go by a train. The best thing is always compare the prices on Google whenever you're planning a trip. So in my case, I took Oxford Airline bus from London that cost me somewhere around £31. So here is the concept of return ticket. So if you take a single ticket, that means you're only paying to reach the destination. Um, and if you take return ticket, that means you're paying for the both ways. So when I checked online, the ticket for single way was £25. And if I take separate tickets, that will cost me £50. So it's always, so I thought it's better to, take return ticket that will cover for both and the price is, reduced to £31 or so. Mm, so yeah, so I took return ticket. It covers the cost to reach to Oxford and then coming back to London. So this is the view from the bus. We are about to reach Oxford.